Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to psysigns, where we decode behavior and help you build emotional clarity. And today we're diving into 7 little things that make him fall harder. Now, let's be real. Falling in love isn't usually about the big, movie-style gestures. It's the small, unexpected things that sneak up on him and make him think, wow, I can't get this girl out of my head. So lean in, because once you know these, you'll start to realize the power of the little things you do without even trying. 1. Remembering the small details. It's not just about remembering his birthday. It's about remembering that random snack he mentioned loving, or the way he takes his coffee. When you casually bring it up later, it hits him like, she actually listens to me. Most people only half listen, but when you show him that you pay attention, it feels like emotional intimacy on another level. And honestly, nothing makes a guy fall harder than feeling seen. 2. Subtle touches that feel personal. It doesn't have to be dramatic PDA. Sometimes it's just brushing something off his shoulder, resting your hand on his arm while talking, or playfully nudging him when he jokes. Those innocent, little touches create a rush of warmth. He won't say it, but his brain is already connecting those moments with safety and attraction. It's the kind of thing that stays with him long after. 3. Cheering him on when he's not expecting it. Everyone loves support during big achievements, but what makes him fall harder is when you notice the small wins. Like when he fixes something, completes a task he was stressing over, or even when he's just trying to improve himself. When you say, "I'm proud of you," in those moments, it hits differently. It makes him feel like you see his effort, not just the end result. 4. Your playful side. Playfulness is magnetic. It's not about being childish. It's about creating light moments that make him laugh without trying too hard. Teasing him a little, joking around, sending him a funny meme that reminded you of him. These things add spark. Guys fall harder when you become the person they can have fun with, not just serious talks. That balance of emotional depth and playfulness makes you unforgettable. 5. Sharing your passions. When you light up while talking about something you love, whether it's music, art, a hobby, or even something nerdy, he notices. Passion is attractive. It shows him that you have a full, vibrant life, and that makes him want to be part of it. And bonus, it inspires him to share his passions too, which creates that deeper bond of, this is who we really are. 6. The way you look at him. Sometimes it's not words, it's the silent moments. The way you look at him when he's talking about something that excites him, or the way your eyes soften when he's being vulnerable. That look makes him feel like the only man in the room. And trust me, he'll replay that in his head when you're not around. 7. Being authentically yourself. This is the one that seals it. The quirks, the little habits, even the things you think are weird, when you embrace them, he feels permission to be himself too. Guys fall harder when they don't feel like they have to perform or pretend around you. Your authenticity becomes the safe space he didn't know he needed. And there you have it, 7 little things that make him fall harder. Notice how none of these are about trying too hard or changing who you are. It's the effortless things, the ones that come out when you're relaxed, playful, and truly yourself, that leave the deepest mark on his heart. Because love isn't built on grand performances, it's built on those tiny, unforgettable moments that tell him, this is the person I want to be around. Don't forget to subscribe, because here at psysigns, we're building emotional clarity one truth at a time. And trust me, the next video will be as revealing, so stay tuned and see you in the next one.